everybody. We are live here on Ken's 5 talking about an active week ahead. Today and tomorrow, mostly quiet, some morning fog, giving way to a lot of sunshine today and tomorrow. But Wednesday and Thursday, that's when things start to change. Front starts to slowly moving to Texas, and then that'll help produce a chance for some rain Wednesday, and then a few storms between Wednesday night and Thursday morning. So a lot to break down, and we'll get to that in a second. And if you have any questions, comment down below. So we're going to start off with some of the driest falls on record in San Antonio because it's been pretty dry since September 1st. We've seen some rain here and there between September and October and early this month, but not much. Matter of fact, we've only seen 2.4 inches of rain in San Antonio so far this season, and we should be farther than that. This is actually one of the driest falls on record. The driest is actually back in 2008. They only picked up 0.73 inches of rain in that year here in the city. And we're not too far from that, just kind of relatively speaking. I think on average, we should be closer to like maybe 4 or 5 by this time in November. And we're only at 2.48. So this is also leading to drought conditions. We're in extreme drought across San Antonio. And the Hill Country is in a moderate to severe level category. So we're moving in the wrong direction. So we need rain, and we have some in the forecast Wednesday and Thursday, which we'll show you the hour by hour. We have a slight, very slim flooding threat. We'll show you the map and break it all down coming up in just a little bit. Cloudy skies on this Monday morning. It looks very gloomy outside, a few areas of blue fighting through those clouds. But there's Calaveras Lake, temperature at 76 at the airport, 77 at Stinson. It's humid. South winds just very light, 5 to maybe 10 miles an hour. And at 11 a.m., make a wish, 72 at Bernie, 74 at Bandera. We have a lot of 77s on the map in our far western area. Stinson, Castroville, Divine, Moore, all picking up on that thermometer reading. 81 at Seguin, Stockdale at 81. Hill Country a little cooler, but not by much. The clouds, the humidity, is really keeping us very warm for this time of year. If you remember, a week ago, last Monday, our morning lows were dropping into the 30s and 40s. Now our morning lows are in the 60s and 70s. It is significantly warmer this week. Less fall-like, more spring-like. It's even up to 80 in Pleasanton, 80 at Pearsall, and 81 at Carrizo Springs. And today's high in San Antonio, we should stop around 86 to 87, which is way, way too warm for November. Our normal high in mid-November is like 71. We're going to be at 86 to 87 today, so like 15 degrees above normal. Tomorrow morning, patchy fog, a lot like today. And then afternoon sunshine, highs near 85 tomorrow. And then we have that alert set for Wednesday and Thursday for more clouds, more moisture, and some of that could produce some scattered light to moderate rain. I think the better opportunity at storms will be Wednesday evening into early Thursday, where we could see some thunderstorms move into the area. So let me give you the hour by hour. So here's like Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, cloud cover, overcast, cloudy skies, patchy areas of rain here and there. Wednesday is not too impressive, but there will be some scattered areas of rain around Wednesday. And then heading into Thursday morning, that's when thunderstorms move across central and north Texas, and then that moves eastward pretty quickly. That could produce some rain anytime between Thursday and Friday early. And then Friday afternoon into Saturday, things start to clear out. We'll see sunny skies and a lot cooler temperatures by the weekend time frame with a couple of clouds. And even the valley might even see some leftover shower activity. And then by early next week, another wave of energy moves through, and that could add into the chance for a couple of storms by next Monday and Tuesday. So next 7 to 8 days, somewhat pretty active. A couple of areas of low pressure moving through, and that could produce some decent chances for rain. So through Wednesday and Thursday, here's what one model is saying. Take this with a grain of salt because it's just showing you potential. It's not showing you exact location. Anywhere from here, Eagle Pass, Austin, DFW, Abilene, there will be some areas that pick up anywhere from like a ½ inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall on average. Less rain towards the valley, more rain towards DFW and North Texas. And even Austin could pick up 1 inch of rainfall between Wednesday and Thursday. And then rain coverage backs off by Friday, by the end of the week, and then returns by next Monday and Tuesday. But this shows you potential, and these areas that are highlighting and lighting up between I-10, I-35, and North Texas. These are areas that do desperately need rain, and it's even saying upwards of 1.5 inches to maybe 2 inches of rain around the San Antonio metro, around the Hill Country, and around Austin. So it's just giving you kind of general ideas of the rainfall trend going forward. And again, that's one model. Here's what I think in general will happen. I think San Antonio probably on the range of 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches between Wednesday and Friday. Most of it moving out by Friday afternoon. And then towards Austin, Dallas, I would say between 2 to 4 inches of rain. And there could be some localized pockets that see a little bit more. It just depends on where these storms set up and really start getting more active and strong. San Antonio and most of our viewing area in a level 1 out of 4 for isolated flooding. Up towards Austin, they're in a slight risk, that yellow category, so more of a higher opportunity at seeing flooded roadways, flooded neighborhoods. Again, it's not going to be a widespread threat, but it is a chance of that happening between Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe into early Friday. But I think the bulk time frame is Wednesday and Thursday. And some of those could produce lightning, localized heavy rain, maybe some small hail, although it's a lower end threat, but it is between Wednesday and Thursday. We do have that alert set for San Antonio and our region of South Central Texas. So in the meantime, morning clouds today give way to sunshine, high near 86, very warm for this time of year. 85 Tuesday, and then weather impact alert set for Wednesday and Thursday for more clouds, scattered light to morning moderate rain first. And then between Wednesday night into early Thursday, maybe Thursday afternoon, there could be pockets of rain that could be heavy at times, producing lightning and things like that. And then Friday, Saturday, some leftover shower activity. And I think Monday and Tuesday will provide another opportunity at some more scattered rain. That's leading into Thanksgiving. But yeah, that's it for the forecast, guys. Download the KENS 5 app. We'll have daily updates, daily information on our forecast models, on the model trends, on the computer guidance, on what's coming down the line for rainfall on Wednesday and Thursday. So that is free in the App Store. In the meantime, enjoy your Monday and Tuesday. Clouds will clear to sunshine. It'll be warm today, middle 80s, and then a little cooler by Thursday and Friday. By the weekend time frame, a lot cooler. Mornings back in the 50s, highs in the 70s, with lower humidity, with decent chances for rain through early next week.